If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, share, and comment. We will respond back. You can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. CLONZ TV. Alright? T2, take it away. Alright, let's get to it. Which is better? Air Jordan 11 cap and gown or Air Jordan 11 cool gray? Let's look at cap and gown first. Now, man, look, black my favorite color. Y'all already know. And one thing I can say about the cap and gowns, out of all the 11s, man, the way they did the upper, to me, it feel like a thick area rug. It feel thick, man. And the Jumpman, that metal Jumpman, man, I mean, the shoe was well structured. They did a great job with this shoe. Let's look at the cool gray. Now, this is in my top 3. I'm into gray right now. I love gray, and I've been waiting on this shoe for years for them to come out with another cool gray. So I'm rocking with cool gray. What say y'all? I'm rocking with cool gray. What say you? Well, I'm gonna say the cool grays, man. Cool grays, cool grays, cool grays. I've been waiting on this shoe for years, you know, and it's finally here. So I'm gonna say cool grays. I love cap and gowns, but cool grays is in my top 3 Jordans of all time. What say y'all? Which one's better? Cap and gown or cool grays? Drop it in the comment section. All right, we out. Peace.